that in there. I think it'll go down farther. Perfect. Okay, take it out. You really don't have to oil the back of that.
I always do. I put plenty of oil on everything.
And smash it in there just like the other.
Like the other guy, yeah.
Middle of the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. And hit your post notifications.
Yes. Turn on notifications.
That's what people always say, like
they
in
do.
the middle of the video.
I like the, depending on how they go. Are you recording right now?
Yeah. Right there.
Sometimes depending on how tight collar and seal is on that
The deflector?
the deflector.
Yeah,
I'll put the seal on afterwards, yeah. Kind of like with this one.
Sometimes you gotta put it through
There,
that.
yeah, I got it. I got it.
Yeah, it looks so easy.
Yeah. We have video proof it is in there. It is in there all the way.
Oh yeah, I remember we had to go through and file the back of that thing.
Spins good.
Did we go in there? And I guess it went in there pretty smooth.
Yeah, it went in there real good.
Perfect.
Need my heat shield.
Normal Evo9 heat shield, it's beveled. The Evo 10 is also beveled too, but the Evo 3 and the earlier Mitsubishi models didn't have the bevel. The bevel is mainly there for the twin scroll housings, but where you go with a bigger turbine shaft, that area gets machined out, so we go back to the original style heat shield rather than the twin scroll heat shield. Spin. Perfect.
Are you still going the other way? back it up just a little bit.